This is a brief introduction to some of the smaller hand tools that we use to back up the hydraulic and battery tools on the trucks. We have airbag restraints, a Halligan tool, marine ratchet, bolt cutters, pack X, a glass master, ratchet strap and some small hand tools. Each of these small tools we will demonstrate further when we start doing the scenarios. Ratchet strap primarily used in stabilisation to secure loads. The pack X we used on toughened glass to laminate it to stop it shattering and going everywhere. Marine ratchets we use primarily for tying back doors or securing things so they wouldn't blow in the wind. Bolt cutters we'd use a lot for cutting check straps. These small tools we would use to expose and examine so we can actually see what we're cutting into. The glass master for cutting windscreens. We can demonstrate when we're using this that it cuts on the backstroke. Very important that you use respiratory protection when using this. Airbag restraints used on a steering wheel for undeployed airbags. And the Halligan tool for creating gaps to use for the hydraulic tools and also to use as pry bars.
This is some of the stabilisation equipment we carry on the appliance. We have the V-strut, we have the Stabfast, we have the XL Stabfast, we have chocks and blocks, also known as cribbing. At an RTC, we have to stabilise the vehicle to give a good solid platform to work from. We have chocks and blocks which vary in makes and sizes. This one here we have wedges on the top with blocks on the bottom with different variations in the sizes for the wedges to slide into. This one we have is plastic. It has an adjustable slide. And if we're working from heights or a car on top of a car or a car on its side, we would use the Stabfast. The Stabfast has a ratchet effect with a telescopic arm on it for height, different variation in heights. It has a hook and a heat shield. We have the XL, which is used for larger vehicles or HGVs. We have this tool here for making a hole in the outer skin of the vehicle for an anchor point for the hook. And we have the V-strut, which works the same, only a different manufacturer.